Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6. Firstly, you need to access App Gallery on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now, in order to continue, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on HUAWEI smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select receive on your tablet and send on HUAWEI device. When you're ready, click on all of those type of dots and click on send over here. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on HUAWEI tablet, choosing only this time or only while in use, and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on the receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!